Welcome to my channel, guys. Hey, we're gonna do a lot of videos right here on Blast in the Grass car show down in Hagerman, Idaho. This was back in let's see, September 16th 2023, and 329 entries in this little car show, the most I think they've ever had. It was pretty much packed. Lots of hot rods sitting around on the outside of the parking lot even that didn't get in. So enjoy these next few videos. Thanks very much. Have fun. Enjoy. Well, guys, I asked you when I first started putting these videos on here, do you want me to put on a whole hour's worth, or do you want me to put on 10 minutes worth at a time? A couple of you guys said, let's just do short ones. So here's a short one. We're going to try to put these on here, like I said, 10 minutes or real close to that.
So we're going to finish looking at the cars now, and I should go live. Maybe I'll go live a little later when the sun gets in a different spot. You guys want to see a car, I'll turn it on for you, and you can tell me if you want to see it. Oh, everybody's, that's a Hemi. Oh my. The Corvette section. I'm using the GoPro to film today, guys. I'll tell you, the colors, with new eyeballs, these colors are popping. No man. 55? No man. Wow. Ooh, if I ever had another hot rod, it'd be a station wagon. Wouldn't be like this, because I couldn't afford this. That's nice. See, that's white. I wouldn't have known that before. Alright, we're going to go up here, and then we're going to go down the front of these, walk through here. Oh, look at here, guys. The first olds. Yeah. Beautiful. This is a friend of mine's truck here. His name's Doug Duggar. We used to work together back when we worked. He's still got a shop now. Take a look at that. That is a front clip off of a Tornado. See the drivetrain right through there? Oh, and that thing is so loud. Got them dual little turbos on them, one on each side. That is clean. And it used to, yeah, you can see through the floor there. I think you can. It's got plexiglass in it because it does come up on the back wheels. And it does drop to the ground, don't it? Nice little Chevelle. Oh, Rat Pink Ron has a blue one like that. Nice car. Don't see enough of it on his video. You hear that, Rat Pink? Let's see some. Put your car in a show. Show us some shows from out that way. I know you guys got them. Got some rat rods right behind me. We're gonna go check them out in a minute. Ooh, that's nice. There's the guy I was telling you about. That's Doug Duggar, the famous, the one and only Doug Duggar right there.
Flamethrower, man.
Flamethrower. You gonna start that up later?
Yeah.
Can't wait. I'm gonna get her on film. I may even go live.
It's blowing some good flames.
Oh, I can't wait to see it. I'll probably hear it, won't I?
Oh yeah.
Y'all be able to hear it? Okay.
Yeah, he was like.
Did you? I think I've seen you on my channel before. Commenting?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, me and him used to do tractor pulls together. He had a Ford, I had a Chevy. He'd win one time, and I'd win another. Then everybody started doing it that had more money than us. That was the end of that. They don't even have that kind of stuff around here in Idaho anymore, not that I've seen. This old car here, this car here has followed me everywhere. Everywhere I used to turn around on a motorcycle, this damn car was following me.
Hey, Gar, what's up?
Not much.
Rat, what's up, man?
Yeah, just filming for the old YouTube channel. You ever been to my YouTube channel?
No.
Well, you better go check it out. You're on it many times.
Nowhere.
Yeah, way.
You been on the old rat run?
Yeah, I got that on there.
Do you really?
Yeah, some of them, pictures and stuff.
Look it up.
Yeah. Just put in my name and then put Rat Run behind it. It'll probably pull it up.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, this guy used to follow us on our bikes, and he'd run the poker hand and stuff. I put on a pretty big poker run back in the day. You know, nowadays they have bigger ones, but we have over 100 people show up, and we'd go about 1,200 miles on a poker run. I think that was pretty impressive. And he'd follow us, and he'd go or get ahead of us and do the cards and stuff, you know. Look at that little thing stuffed in there. This is another thing I'd like to rebuild for Vickie. Her dad used to have one. I built her a Volkswagen once, guys. Exact copy of what she had in school, high school. Little bug. When I got it done, she goes, "You know what? That ain't as comfortable as I used to think they was." So we sold it. As you can see, I know a lot of people around here. There you go. Look at that. Super.
Papa, you don't get Look, you need to move your
Ooh,
seat now.
that's pretty. Yeah, we'll get a picture of old Doug Duggar shooting some flames out of it later. Nice galaxy. This is, can you see the colors? Whew. I can. Chevelle, looks like a big block.
Well, you're good. That's the main thing. You're getting there. Yeah.
Let's get around that way.
Yeah, you too. Yeah.
Nice looking Chevelle. Alright, we're going to go over here with some rat rods over here. This is for sale. I couldn't even fit in this thing. Let's get a good look at this. Be lots to look at on it. Probably nice and quiet with them mufflers. What do you think? Yeah, that's what it is. No way. Could not fit in that.
What else have we got to do, Mark?
Pretty cool.
Yeah. You know, really.
And we got both of them here. Can we get them both? Topless Betty. They call that patina. I call it rust.
We want to make sure that all of our pre-registered have their packets and their shirts before we open up the shirts to the day of register at 11 o'clock. Again, if you're in the park, if you are pre-registered, if you have not
Got her dropped.
got your packet yet, please do that before 11.
Another guy. This handsome young man right here is my brother.
Howdy.
Howdy.
That was awesome. I did find out from my brother-in-law there that I got a whole bunch of cousins over there all lined up with their hot rods and stuff, so we're going to go check them out. Once we get that way, there's a lot of cars to go through before we get over there. And as you can see, I don't go too far without running into some good friend of mine down here. I had a guy one time say, your only friends are on the internet. Well, no, I got a lot of good ones on the internet. I got a lot of YouTube friends that we meet. They're good friends. But I also have a lot of friends in real life. Yeah.
Talk to them.
See, now that's how you're supposed to do when you see somebody taking a picture. You get out of the way like this young man did.
Oh, yeah, well.
I've had so
I
many
know how it
people
goes.
you're filming, they'll walk right in front of your camera, you know?
Oh, of course.
Yeah.
Every time.
Yeah.
No. Yeah, I like this build here. It's
Oh, that's nice.
you did a good job on this one.
This one, I had one just like this. Same color and everything. No, mine was a 240. There's a Cadillac. Another Corvette. I've had a Corvette. I had one and that was enough. I just didn't. Oh my goodness.
How you doing?
Look at the junk in the trunk.
I know, right?
You got her stuffed in there, don't you?
Yeah, we like making it as most compact and as confusing to work with as we possibly can, I tell
I
you.
think you've accomplished that.
You know? Why make it easy to work on? What's the joy in that, you know?
Well, tell me all about it.
Oh, man. Oh, thank you, boss. She's stage 2 plus 2014 STI Premium. I mean, all the goodies, man. All the goodies. She's my little baby.
Pretty quick.
Yeah, not too bad. 0 to 60 was like, I think 3.5. I timed it at. Don't really do too much pulling with it now. The older you get, the wiser you get, you know, and the more you like to rip them, the more you gotta pay, you know.
Yeah,
so
yeah.
I kind of just started to make her my little show baby and stuff like that. But yeah, she's a good little girl. She gets the job done. So.
Do you put it on the track, or I know you wouldn't illegally street race.
No, never.
No.
Never.
But if you was.
Only in Mexico. Only in Mexico. There's a few times we go up to Mexico during the month, you know. But
Yeah.
other than
Yeah,
that.
that's fine. Let me look inside. You got the
Yeah.
inside tricked out?
Yeah, not too shabby. Might be a little, we went and had some breakfast, so I don't have time to get everything all shaped up, but.
Oh, yeah. Nice looking. That's a nice car, guy.
Thank you, my man. Thank you very much.
We'll put it on their YouTube for you.
Hey, I love it. I'll look you up. Subscribe
All
to
right.
ya.
But blasting the grass, is that what they call this?
Yep, a blast in the grass.
That's where it'll
Where are
be.
you from, boss?
Sally used to carry my books to school. Sally was a good old girl. Helped me with my homework 'cause I was a fool. Sally was a good old girl. If you wanted just a kiss or a little bitty squeeze, she was always